In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up a WordPress website. If you want to protect your content, settings, and overall site setup, creating a backup is an important step. A backup gives you a safety net in case something goes wrong, whether that's a broken update, accidental changes, or data loss. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the process directly from WordPress.com. First, go to the Sites area in WordPress.com. This is where you can view and manage the websites connected to your account. Once you're there, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct dashboard so you don't accidentally work on the wrong site. Next, click the website you want to back up. If you manage more than one site, double check the site name before continuing. That small step can save you time and prevent confusion later, especially if your websites are similar or serve different purposes. Before you move on, there's one important thing to know. To use the backup feature shown here, your site needs to be on a plan that supports backups, such as a business plan or higher. If your current plan doesn't include this feature, WordPress.com will prompt you to upgrade before you can continue. It's helpful to know this ahead of time so you understand why the backup option may not be immediately available. Once you've opened the correct site, click the option labeled Backup Your Site. This is the section where WordPress.com guides you into enabling site backups. Depending on your current subscription, this may either take you directly into the backup area or show you a plan requirement message. If you see that backups are not yet available on your current plan, click Upgrade to Business Plan. This step is necessary if you want to access the built-in backup tools shown in this process. After upgrading, you'll be able to use the backup functionality provided through WordPress.com for that site. As a quick tip, backups are one of those things you never want to wait on until there's a problem. If your website is important to your business, portfolio, or content strategy, having backup access can make recovery much easier if something unexpected happens. That's the full process for getting started with backing up your WordPress website through WordPress.com. Follow these steps carefully, confirm that your plan supports backups, and make sure you're working on the correct site before making any changes.